Hi, my name is Scott Taylor. I'm a senior attorney here at Priority Tax Relief, and if you're watching this video, you're running some kind of business and you've got payroll tax debt. Let's start with the bad news. This is the most serious kind of debt in the eyes of the IRS. It means that you haven't been paying in to the Social Security Trust Fund, to Medicare, Medicaid, and these are the programs that the government takes most seriously out of any on their watch. So if you haven't been paying into these are waving red flags for IRS attention right away. The good news is that there is a way out of this. 9.9 times out of 10, you're gonna end up paying the payroll tax debt back. But you don't need to be assigned to a revenue officer, don't need to be garnished, you don't need to have your bank accounts levied, and you don't need to have your assets seized and your business ruined while you're going through this. You've got a right as a taxpayer, though, to pay this back on your terms without it ruining your life. If you have a payroll tax debt, this is one of the things we specialize in. So give us a call. Our consultants will walk through with you how best to get this off your back without disastrous consequences for you and your business.